having the ability to kind of see into the future in regards to the direction at which we are headed can be incredibly powerful from a management standpoint. So. Hey guys, Jesse here real quick. I wanted to talk with you a little bit about a request that I made in a previous video a couple of days ago in regards to time management, coordinating calendars, and really rolling out a new way of doing business so that we can move the needle much more quickly. And I was reading a book the other day in regards to business IQ. Alex Hormozi, it's either in his book or he was talking about it in one of the videos that he published, but he talked about business IQ and the implementation of concepts and strategies that you learn that can help increase your value, not only to the marketplace, but also increase the value if you're working for a company to that company. Now, I want to encourage you to focus on this because we're going to be going through some transitions in the coming days and weeks. And, really what I want to do is build a team that can execute better than our competition. Now, in order to accomplish that, we're going to need really great time management skills. And we're also going to need to have a high business IQ. That means that as we come through and develop processes, we need to implement those processes as quickly as possible. For those of you who did share your calendar with me, I want to thank you for that. Thank you for taking action on that request. For those of you who haven't, once again, I will request that you log into your Office 365 account provided to you by Razor Sharp Networks, access your calendar, and share it out with me. As soon as we get a chunk of our employees sharing out their calendar with me, I'm going to move to the next step, which is to identify a process which we can have meetings in regards to high impact areas, and then also pre-plan our days so that we can direct the activity that we are working on a daily basis.
Hey there, Jesse here, and this is not a glitch. I paused your video for a brief announcement. First and foremost, you've been getting value out of this content. Do me a favor, give us a thumbs up. This helps us with the YouTube algorithm, lets them know we know what it is that we're talking about. Now, we publish videos almost on a daily basis, so if you want to make sure that you get notifications, jump over our YouTube channel, subscribe, set up notifications so you don't miss future trainings. Now, for all my local business owners, I got a special treat for you. We just recently published a brand new free video training called Local Marketing Hacks. So if you own a local business and you want to promote your products and services in your local market, go ahead and jump over to the Razor Sharp Networks website. You'll be able to find a place to sign up for that free training. This will give you all the information that you need on how to optimize your business pages and directories, how to set up Google Ads for local businesses, how to optimize your website for conversions so that you can attract and convert all that high intent traffic that is searching for your products and services in your local market. Now, in addition to the video training, we're providing some free resources. So we can't take everybody. So if you're watching this, go ahead and go over to Razor Sharp Networks and see if there's room still available. Now back to your video.
What this will include is just time blocking your time on your calendar. Part of my process is going to be to take a look at your shared calendar and what you have time blocked for the next day to ensure that it is high priority or those are the most impact activities that we can be executing on a daily basis. So you guys are, vast majority of you are ahead of us in regards to time zones and things of that nature. So having the ability to kind of see into the future in regards to the direction at which we are headed can be incredibly powerful from a management standpoint. So just want to encourage you to share that out, share the calendar out. Let me know that you got this. Give me a high five, thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, I'm going to request one more time that you share out your calendar. If you don't have a calendar or Razor Sharp Networks email, please DM me. I will get you one, issue you one. If you have any questions, comments, or there's anything that I can provide in order to support the process, please let me know. Meet me in the comments section. We'll get those handled for you. So again, business IQ, time management, execution is really what I want to focus on because we have in my experience, a lot of activity, but it definitely isn't high impact activity, meaning that we're not getting what it is that we need to be getting done in the order which it needs to be done, right? Design, development, deployment, automation, optimization. So let's get clarity. Let's realign our GPS, and let's figure out the direction that we're going in before we take massive action. Because again, if we're heading in the wrong direction, we're doing the wrong project tasks, and or we're not executing in the right order, it throws the entire team off. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully, I'll hear from you in the coming 24 hours. Make it a fantastic day. And again, if you have any questions, meet me in the comment section. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.